Today we are going to learn about line of symmetry. So we know that symmetry is nothing but it will divide a shape into two equal halves. A line of symmetry is nothing but it is an imaginary line. It is a line where you can fold a shape. You can fold a shape with that line and it will have both halves match exactly. Okay, so when you fold the shape along this line of symmetry, both the halves will match exactly. So this is a line of symmetry, and line of symmetry can be drawn vertical. Vertical is nothing but a straight line like this. Horizontal is nothing but a sleeping line, and it can also be drawn along the diagonal. So diagonal is like this. A diagonal is nothing but when a straight line that is drawn across two opposite corners. So you can draw a diagonal like this because this is one corner and this is one corner. Also this is a diagonal with two opposite corners. So you can also draw a line of symmetry along this diagonal. The number of line of symmetry in a regular polygon. So what is a regular polygon? We know a regular polygon will have all the sides and angles equal. So the number of sides of line of symmetry in a regular polygon is equal to the number of sides. So what does this mean? So if you're taking a polygon, for example a triangle, okay, it is a regular polygon because all the sides are equal. Okay, so in this case the line of symmetry is equal to the number of sides. So how many sides are there for a triangle? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 sides for a triangle. So the line of symmetry will also be 3 along the corners. Can you see 1 and 2 and 3? Similarly, this is again an regular polygon which all sides and angles are equal. So we know that the rule is if it is a regular polygon, the line of symmetry will be equal to the number of sides. So what is the number of sides for a square is 4. So the line of symmetry will also be 4. So one straight and one horizontal and along the diagonals 2. So totally 4. So this is a pentagon which is again an regular polygon. So the line of symmetry is equal to the number of sides. So we know in a pentagon it has 5 sides. So there are 5 lines of symmetry. So like this, along this corner, along this corner, along this corner, along this corner and along this corner. So there are 5 lines of symmetry. So it is very easy to find lines of symmetry in a regular polygon. So if you can see, this is a hexagon which is a regular polygon and number of sides is 6. So the line of symmetry is also 6. This is a heptagon, the number of sides is 7 and line of symmetry is also 7. This is octagon, the number of sides are 8 and also the line of symmetry is also 8. So just look at these two shapes. I am cutting it this way, one line of symmetry. Okay, so if you can see the line of symmetry, I have drawn it here. If you see this half and this half, are they equal? No, they are not equal, and even if you fold, they will not match. So this can't be a line of symmetry. Similarly here, if you see, they are cutting like this. Okay, so when you fold it, this half and this half will not match. So this again is not a line of symmetry. So how can we draw a line of symmetry for this shape? We can draw the line of symmetry like this. So when you fold it, these two halves will match. Similarly, for this shape, you can draw the line of symmetry this way. And if you fold, this side and this side will be equal. So this is a line of symmetry. When you cut it or when you fold it, the two shapes, the two halves should exactly match or overlap each other.